I'm AC Cash. This is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD. Boom.
And we're coming to you on behalf of PivotPointInvestors, where we help the everyday investor invest in real estate and stock market to achieve financial security. Hey guys.
Yes, sir.
Baby girl got into college.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
That's good stuff.
Yeah.
But the next question is going to be, hey, how Papa Bell going to pay for it? Woo. That's the question. But fortunately, we got some answers. That's right. What we're going to talk about. Yeah. Pivot Point Investors. We are financing college for baby girl and maybe your baby boy, baby girl. Let's go, Pivot Point Investors.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm AC Cash, and this is
Jay the Technician.
And this is
JD. Boom.
Hey, we're here on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, where we help the small investor grow his or her nest egg by real estate investment and stock investment. So today, baby girl got into college. So baby girl got into college.
Yes.
Daddy's happy, mom's happy, everybody's happy. But then we say, how you gonna pay for it? We're talking about Spelman. Now baby girl got other options, right?
Yeah, a bunch of them. She got into Florida State, their biology pre-med program.
Georgia.
She got into Georgia State. She's got into Wingate. She's got into Elon.
So baby girl got options. Yeah. But the question is, how do we pay for college? How do we pay for college?
Yeah.
Hey, Pivot Point, we're here for answers. That's the big deal.
That's right.
So she got into college. Now we're talking about Spelman. Now there's cheaper options, but she kind of likes Spelman. And Papa Bear kind of partial to Spelman.
Hey, Morehouse man.
Oh, come on, man.
So let's do the Spell House thing. Let's do the Spell House.
So that's cool, but how much does Spelman cost?
I know you're gonna give me the bad news.
Hey man, the bad news is no financial aid. Baby girl got to come out with $54,000. $54,000. Hey, we still happy, right? We still happy?
No, you got it. You got it. There's a little bit. You got it.
That's right. That's right.
Hey, but this thing, she got a 3.9 GPO.
That's real cute, but they don't got much money.
No, that ain't paying no bills. It just sound good.
So that's the question. That's the dining room table issue throughout America. Hey, we're happy they're going to college. That's a great thing. But how do we finance that kind of situation? So for my baby girl, it's about real estate. For your baby girl, hey, JD Boom got to get to work on some stock picks. So let's talk about some stock. First, we're going to start from top down and kind of get an understanding what's the market doing lately. And then we're going to see how this guy going to finance this $54,000 per year.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, what we talking about in the market lately?
Man, I mean, right now everybody is still throwing their hats and their shirts and their clothes out the window.
Okay.
The sky is falling all over again. I think they're just trying to point all the blame. They saying Biden ain't doing good, man. They ain't doing good.
They got rid in a couple days, huh?
Man, it don't matter. He needed to make a miracle today.
Okay.
A miracle today, and it ain't happening. And
That's
right
not
now,
happening.
people are having that old nostalgia of Trump. They thinking about when Trump first came in, it was like a rocket ship.
Okay.
Now, not so much a rocket ship, it's more like stagnant water.
Okay, what we gonna do? That's the question. What we gonna do to get some bread when right now it's a sea of red?
Well, we gotta get in there and fit in where we can, because there's still a lot of stocks, and JD definitely gonna break them down for you. But there's a lot of things still positively going on in the market. Even though we're seeing people running over to the other side where they feel that their money's more safe for, like, standard portfolio or what they call bond yield. That just
Man, we not messing with that.
Man, that's the government though.
Some bread.
That's like, okay, get a government some money. And they said, look, we'll hold your money. I give you like 2% a year.
2%? My Lord.
It's more than the bank.
Okay.
I mean,
so that's an option to play it safe on the sideline when we're scared to get into the game. But we like to stay in the game. We're not playing around with 2%. Come on, man, put it under your mattress and bet on black on Friday.
Right. Hey, scared money don't make money.
Don't make
no money.
No. So let's see. So when we talk about these stocks, what's been moving and grooving in the market lately?
So one of the biggest stocks, the talk of the week is Rocket.
So
Rocket Company,
Press.
RKT. So Rocket, this is one. It wasn't actually in our J-Tech and myself. For our advanced members, we have a top 25.
Top 25.
Stocks each
Rockets
quarter,
and rolls,
right? So our Q1 top 25, it barely missed the cut, but it was our bonus pick, right?
Oh, that little bonus pick on the rocket.
Yeah.
All right.
So our members have been seeing this that are already advanced rocket, and they know we've been rocking with this for a minute, right? So we got in this stock when it was $19 a share.
$19.
Now today's Thursday, the 4th of March, just for timestamp sake. And on Tuesday, it thing shot up 71%. And you pulled out your you pulled out your cell phone, and you showed, to some of our members, when we were doing a call, you showed them, hey, I made 71%.
That's a big jump, man. We're talking about 71% in one day.
Yeah.
Now, let's be clear. Understanding that when it's a rocket ship like that, when it's fueled by Reddit forums and all that, what comes up will come down. It's just a matter of what time. But when you got people driving for you, when they're helping you steer through those landmines, you know, hey, this is a short-term pop and we're coming back down. You get in, you get out, take your bread, and you help pay for baby girl.
Pay for it. Listen, we still are up. The current trading price when we look was about $26.92, right at $27 a share.
All right.
So we bought it at 19 and it's at 27. And we made money.
Yeah.
Okay.
We made bread.
Now we made bread because we actually was swing trading out before when it was coming down. So we made more money on it, right?
That's what we're talking about.
Money.
So it's not doom and gloom just because it's looking red over here, over there. There's always bargains to be found. And that's what we have to consider. So when we're sitting home, we're opening envelopes, and we see, baby girl got accepted here. Little Johnny, he got into whatever school and no scholarship. How do we pay for it?
That's right.
You pay for it by your investments.
That's right.
You gotta get things that rise while you're sleeping.
Absolutely.
And that rocket went up like a rocket ship and helped our pockets get a little fatter.
It did. You just gotta know how to work it and maneuver. That's what coming in and being a member.
That's right.
Part of the community where we help you make those.
Well, they're all family and friends. I'm sure everybody has already hit subscribe. They're not watching this. Didn't do that.
Hey, man. Well, now, after you said it, hopefully not.
They probably hit it. No, they hit it by now. I know that.
That's what's up.
Okay. Well, they got that part covered. So you're in the family, you're getting information, and now you're saying, hey, but I'm scared. There's a whole lot of red, there's a whole lot of green. It's going up and down.
Life is scary.
Not
paying for college is scary. Being homeless is scary. It's a lot of things. Me not eating is scary. So I'm going to get and manage that fear here. For the potential to have a better life for myself and my daughter. My kids. So I'm gonna manage that. That's JD Boom, right?
That's good stuff.
So and I know y'all feel the same way.
All day.
Yeah. So the last thing I'm gonna say about Rocket is this. Fundamentally, the company is still undervalued, in my humble opinion. Because the company is the #1 mortgage company in the U.S.
They got a lot of bread. They got a lot of cash.
Yes, they do.
They got great stock fundamental. The bones up.
They digitized the mortgage industry.
And
they are appealing to the millennials and Gen X and Gen Z.
So that means we might get on their ship and ride a little bit.
Hey, bro.
And take that rocket ship to the moon.
Hey, man, listen, I'm going to take it because I'm seeing $40, $50 price valuation this point this year. I can't tell you when.
You giving stock advice?
I'm not. No. I'm just saying what I see the value at. Right? Because I believe it's an undervalued play. So, just saying, listen, this is what we looking at. This is the reason why it was a bonus on our top 25. But I'll transition from that one and I'll go into one of our number 12 Q1 2021 stock 25 is Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
That's right. So VWAGY.
All right.
German company. You can speak German, right?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Very low.
So that's a whole other show, man. Your time in Germany, right? But imagine, we covered Volkswagen before. It's 12, well-known brands, but of the 12, Audi. You heard of them before?
Heard of the Audi, yeah.
Bentley.
The
B. Bugatti, right? Okay, you down in Miami on the beach, and Bugattis everywhere, Lambos everywhere.
So all them under the family, Porsche?
Yes.
Under the family of who?
Volkswagen.
Volkswagen.
Yes.
Okay. Well,
and so the current stock price $25.73 right now, and it's up for us 24. Almost 25%.
That's pretty good. How long? It took probably 4 years for them to go up like that. No, 3 years. It took 3 years for 24%, because I'm probably getting 2% in the stuff I'm doing.
We repurchased fourth quarter of last year.
Fourth quarter last year?
Yeah.
Okay, so 3-4 months and we're getting 24%. I'm sure everybody's getting 24% on their money somewhere around. No, they're not doing that?
No.
You mean they got to get in the family a little bit?
You got to get in the family.
I mean, you definitely, as an investor, have to understand that when you come and join with us, you are coming to be part of the highest of Pivot Point. Okay. So at the end of the day, I don't see no other value in not taking this opportunity to join with us and let us take you on a journey so that you too can be just like our man over here and not have to worry so much about how you're going to pay for that college fund, but instead what you're going to do with that extra money you got on the side after it's paid off.
Okay, so well, I won't say buying bags and buying shoes. We're not doing that. We're working that money.
It's got to make more.
Okay, then they can come over to the cash side and we can play with some of this real estate action. We can rock and roll.
That's what you're going to do with that? You're going to tell them cash? You're going to tell them?
I'm not mess with the real estate. Although, I'm telling you, there's never a good time to wait. There's always a good time to get in that action. Now, you have to be smart. You have to be smart. And the real estate market has been moving. It's still been steady. Yeah. When we talk about Rocket Mortgage, we're talking about mortgages at an all-time low. It's still super low. And so we can wait and let it creep up 2 or 3 more points, and now the amount of house you can buy is going to go down. You're going to pay more over time. Your amount of equity buildup is going to slow down. Your ability to pay for baby boy and baby girl's college fund will be lesser if we wait. So the time is now to keep investing, to get your education, get your information from good sources, and learn how to finance baby girls' college fund.
That's right.
We're talking about getting money. We're talking about growing that nest egg, not putting it under the mattress. We still do that.
No, people do mattress money.
Yeah,
they do it in the hood. I got some cousins that still do that.
Under the mattress, what's going on? We're not doing that, not advocating for that. No. We're talking about putting that money in the market, putting that money in real estate, and if you got some other way that you know how to grow your finances, then hey, hit it. Send us something you think is better. Yeah. Something that's giving you 2-3 months 24%. Yeah. Something that's got the possibility of popping 71% in a single day.
That's not drug trafficking.
No. None of that. No, it's none of that. So don't even send us that.
Nothing illegal.
We're not playing that game. Okay? I know I'm from Miami, but we're not going to play that game. No, we're not doing that. So hey, get your information, get your education. Right. We got great things coming up. We're doing some mentorship for some good people to help them pay for college, real time, current day action, to pay for a Morehouse, to pay for a Spelman, to pay for a FAMU, to pay for Tennessee State. We have those things in place, and that's going to be fun watching the youth come up that way. So hey, we just dropping you a little information today, but we're going to keep on this roadmap to help pay for Jamia, Jemiah, and Frankie and Jamal.
A whole lot of J's.
All the J's. We jamming with your names.
Hey, but they ain't all mine. Them ain't mine.
Okay. 2 out of 10 wasn't here.
Oh, okay.
It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. So we're going to keep asking everybody, when it's a sea of red, what we're going to do? We're going to chill and invest smartly.
That's right.
Learn from Pivot Point Investors. Hey, we got technician on this one side, we got the boom master on the other side, we got the cash man in the middle, and we're working this thing to get you the education you need. So, on behalf of Pivot Point Investors, I'm AC Cash, this is
Jay the Technician,
and this is
JD
Boom, hey, helping to help make all your investments profitable ones. Take care.